Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we'll have the assembly instructions of the Type 22 Pillbox, the British Pillbox, World War II bunker emplacement type thing. So, yeah, it's a very simple design. There's one with and without steps, and, well, it comes in these three pieces. The steps are already there in case you get that version. So all you have to do is dab a bit of glue on the edge here, and it's fairly simple. Simple design, but this could be very useful in your war games or scenes. So you take this piece and you want to make sure that the bricks line up. So that one's actually correct. I went to the other side to just make sure. But you see how the bricks line up? To make them have a variety, you want to have them not line up like the rest of the bricks. So now they're all good. So it's easy to put this piece on there. Just gently put it there and make sure that it's all lined up and nice looking. Clamps could be used to make sure there's no line or seam or whatever. But what you can do is, I'm sure if you were to paint this, all that would disappear. Anyways, that is the Type 22 British Pillbox. You can get it at miniaturetanks.com. There's one with and one without the steps. A person could glue on the roof. And by the way, there's this beam that goes on the top of the door. But I'm choosing to not glue on the roof. But anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching.